Not kidding. You can paint
whatever you want.
Yeah, I did a cover like this. Very pretty. Of course, the watercolors. I mean, the water lily. You can use purple colors, but the whole thing's in purple colors. So the very first step you're done, you wait for them to dry, and if you find out that's not reach your colors, then you do it again.
Mist again, wash again.
Or we're gonna melt it, and then we're gonna do it.
Okay.
Now tomorrow, I'm going to wait for them to dry today, and tomorrow we're going to do the melting because we have to do it right away.
Right.
And then for this or for that is the blue, the green, the acrylics, many colors as you would like to put on, and then flowers. Now I'm going to show you
And
flowers.
that's after melting it, because you're going to put those acrylics and powders.
All you see right here is after melting. Let's stay like this till tomorrow.
Tomorrow I'll look at it again.
And you'll see, you can write the result and you see what happens.
Okay.
Now we're going to paint lotus. Whether you're paint white or in red, they are similar. The only difference in white is because the white, you don't see any tones. Okay, there's no light tone that you can really imagine or see it. So you can only feel it. And but the rice papers that you notice right away, it is flat. It's flat. Okay. And
Two pieces.
To help absorbing.
Oh, okay.
Materials underneath for painting rice is the harder, the best. The softer, the worse. And you know why? I bet you all have thin.
Thin.
This is quite good actually. One is thickest. When you pressure brush down, it has to be, unless you're a good technique. And then once you press more, because the carpet is the materials are so thick, it's actually drape waters all the way down.
Yeah.
So it
gets sopping wet.
yes, it's bad.
Yeah.
Like the materials underneath that I use, it will do that too. So make sure that you hard, or you don't even need this, just table on it, and then or newspaper underneath, or newsprint underneath, or this. I'm going to use my newsprints. Right. This one is going to be, for this type of lotus, is lots of freedom. Okay. Now we talk about brush stroke. You have a big brush.
I have a brush that's called the lotus brush.
It's a big mixed hairbrush. Splash, splash. It's like dashe. horsehair brush.
This is what you paint this type of. They use this technique to do, and you go. I need you.
Big bang.
Bob. Come.
James.
We can do it right here, right there, or right there.
Just one, just this stroke. Don't stroke. No, you don't need color. I just want to see
These right here.
the top only. No.
Don't curl.
Okay, wait. No, 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 no. Okay, wait.
Uh-oh, we're all
Your
on.
turn to be embarrassed. Go ahead. Oops. Ooh, that was close.
I might
No.
splatter on my jacket.
Who wants next?
What was the first one?
I'm only doing the top one. You
Yeah.
too?
Yeah. This is another. Okay. Come,
I'm with you.
come,
I
oh,
guess.
come.
Yeah.
Oh, you're going Santa? Okay.
Come. Either Bob or George.
Connie.
Connie. George.
Yes.
Now watch again. Okay, watch again. Now I don't know where is this came from, but I didn't do that. Okay, I want to watch again. So for you, the two of them already did. Now your turn. I have explained a little bit. You should be getting more in your hand. Now look. Look. This is how I hold. Did I ever move?
No.
No.
No. What did I do? No, don't answer me yet. Okay, just one more time.
Flip that on the wrist.
Yeah.
The last person should have it all.
That'll be joy.
That's joy.
Pretty good sign.
Now you see how
And the person who should have done
how
first is going
it's
last.
receiving the message or the instruction that I'm giving to, and then is improving. Okay. Now you.
Are you feeling nervous? I'm not.
Good. Now.
More? More.
No. Not my turn. You guys tell me what's happened to this.
It's
Back
splattered.
splattered out.
Don't want that?
That you don't have to tell me. I already know.
Oh,
Now, what is she did wrong?
oh. I got up here and tried.
Her heel went
Yeah,
down.
the heel
The
went
heel
down.
went down.
The heel of the brush.
Instead of
Okay.
Okay,
Like
Let's
this.
see again.
watch.
Yeah.
Ah.
Oh, it's pushing
Okay,
up.
I want to do
Pushing
it
up.
again.
Or pulling.
What
So
did she
she
do?
hit straight and didn't
Great.
go back.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
Okay. All right. I'm going to do it.
Oh my God.
Because of brush. Yeah.
This is my brush.
I could swear I was doing exactly the same thing you just showed again. Ah, very pretty
That's not
stroke. Very
See,
pretty
you see
stroke.
that? How quick that is.
Yes.
Okay. Now, you want to try come?
Well, sure, I mean,
Come. No.
Oh, I don't have
oh,
to.
yeah, yes, you do.
Okay.
Yes, you do.
You see?
Not to drag it. Not to drag it. Oh,
No.
oh, I see.
They are.
Pull up.
Those 3 strokes are one technique. The rest are one technique. And then, depending on, now when it needs short, then you do short. When it longer stroke, then you slightly, but not,
Not pull. Okay.
you know, no.
Kiss that baby, make it well.
Okay. Hold your brush straight. Yeah, down. Yeah, one more time. Short. Don't turn. Short. Yeah, one more time. Okay, Bob, come. You do it again. Now this is how you observe when you watch. No. Only one direction. Don't
Yeah.
try to think about left or right. Okay.
Yeah, that's one.
No, don't drag. Just
Bang. There.
okay.
Lost
Now
cause?
that's better than
Oh, okay.
the very first one.
Okay.
Okay. Now, when you watch our Haunin video, now, or any other artist video, remember all this kinds of movement. And then when you try it, you slowly, first attempt, second attempt, each attempt you do your own correction, or you have to watch it again, and then finding out, and then you feel it, then they will improve your confidence in the future by giving brushstroke, and then energy will just come out easily. Now the very first two that painted, okay, because there was a trying. There's no direction given. It would just see what have you seen. Then you know what they seen in the very beginning. Totally not going. Has not seen.
Seeing and doing are two
Yeah.
different things,
Yeah.
and until you try it, you don't feel it.
Yeah. So, painting this kinds of lotus, there's no way for you to, what the other word is for correction. There's no. Now even painting this, it's like painting on rice paper. That's why I have you practice on rice paper, because there's no going back. So, just that first stroke, okay. Now this is how when I teach technique, okay, either my technique or traditional technique, this is how I have you guys see to each other's what you miss, and then you are going to hear much quicker than you keep exercising at home because you don't see it.
Right.
Okay.
You just keep practicing the wrong thing.
Yeah. Exactly. So why did you keep doing that? So don't do that ever again. Okay, every time that you have to correct, and that will keep you improving about your brushstroke. Any questions? No. Just stupid answer. And a stupid question
Wrapped
that
your
I asked.
hand on my hand,
Yeah.
like a happy
Yes.
camper.
Yeah, up and down. So gentle. No. Yeah. I have some sketch here. And also when you can always photocopy and put it underneath. Okay. If you know good about the position, you could do that, but I would not recommend it. I would rather you paint it freely. Make sure your eyes, every position that you touch it is so accurate, and that's much better than depending on something else.
Tablet.
Yeah, no. But then, okay. So, whether you wanna take home and you want it to print it, it's up to you. Okay, but we're not going. I haven't. You can see how it came, but okay, up to
People can sketch their own. That's how you make your own template.
And now, when you see lotus, now I want you to see a very simple way to remember and to capture the shape of the flower is 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Did you see that? Or you can search Google lots of lotus. Pretty, very
We have
pretty.
these books.
You almost have everything.
She does.
No, not everybody else has these books too.